Imagine having the secret sauce to YouTube success right at your fingertips. Today, the #1 most subscribed YouTuber is ready to spill the beans. Now, who might this be, you ask? Well, this person is a YouTube titan, a true master of the platform. They've weathered the storm of algorithm changes, navigated the sea of competition, and emerged victorious with a subscriber count that's nothing short of astronomical. Their story is the stuff of legends, a testament to what's possible when you combine passion with strategy. But we're not here just to sing their praises, we're here to learn from their journey. Because let's face it, YouTube can be a tough nut to crack. It's a platform teeming with content, a digital metropolis where new channels pop up every second. The competition is fierce and the fight for viewers' attention even more so. Many YouTubers, both new and old, find themselves stuck in a rut, unable to grow their channels and reach that elusive next level. But what if it didn't have to be that way? What if you could bypass the trial and error, the countless hours of experimentation, and get straight to what works? That's exactly what we're here for. Our YouTube champion is ready to share their top 3 strategies, the pillars upon which they built their YouTube empire. These aren't just any tips, mind you. These are tried and true methods, battle-tested strategies that have proven successful time and time again. We're talking about insights on content creation or audience engagement, the importance of consistency or authenticity, and even some tips on mastering the YouTube algorithm. And the best part, you don't need $1 million budget or a Hollywood production crew to implement these strategies. All you need is a dash of creativity, a sprinkle of persistence, and a willingness to learn. So buckle up as we delve into the top 3 secrets to YouTube success. The first secret to YouTube success is all about content creation or audience engagement. It's not just about what you create, but how you connect. Now, let's delve deeper into this. In the world of YouTube, content is indeed the king. You may have heard this phrase before, and it rings true especially here. Creating content that is unique, engaging, and resonates with your viewers is paramount. It's not just about churning out videos, but about creating a narrative, a story that your audience can connect with, relate to, and ultimately share with others. But what does it mean to create engaging content? It's about more than just putting together a well-edited video. It's about understanding what your audience wants to see, what they care about, and then delivering on that. Whether it's a tutorial, a vlog, a review, or a story, the content you create needs to speak to your audience on a deeper level. This brings us to the second part of the secret, audience engagement. It's not enough to just create great content. You need to interact with your audience, respond to their comments, ask for their opinions, and show them that their voice matters. This not only builds a strong community around your channel, but it also boosts your visibility on the platform. The more engagement your videos have, the higher they appear in search rankings and recommendations. When you manage to strike a balance between creating engaging content and fostering audience engagement, you're well on your way to YouTube success. It's a journey, a process, and it won't happen overnight. But with patience, persistence, and a whole lot of passion, you can turn your channel into a thriving community. Remember, content is king, but engagement is queen. Both are essential for a successful YouTube channel. So go out there, create, engage, and let the world see what you have to offer. You might just be the next big thing on YouTube. And with that, let's move on to our next secret to YouTube success. Before we move forward, here's something that could be a game changer for you, the YouTube Mastery and Monetization course. Now, this isn't just another online course. It's a comprehensive guide that takes you on a journey from not knowing how to kickstart your YouTube journey to mastering the art of creating engaging content and monetizing it effectively. It's like having a roadmap to YouTube success, hand-drawn by experts who've been there, done that, and are now willing to share their secrets with you. The course is meticulously designed to help you understand the complex complex YouTube landscape. It breaks down the process of starting and operating your own channel. And you know what the best part is? It's designed for everyone. Yes, you heard that right. Whether you're camera shy or a natural in front of the lens, this course has got you covered. Even if you want to operate a faceless channel just like this one, you'll find practical tips and tricks to make it work. But that's not all. The YouTube Mastery and Monetization course also dives deep into the world of YouTube monetization. It demystifies the process of making money on YouTube, offering you insider insights into how the platform's monetization works. It guides you on how to maximize your earnings, helping you transform your passion into a profitable venture. The course doesn't just equip you with theoretical knowledge. It offers practical, actionable steps that you can start implementing right away. It's like having a mentor guiding you at every step, helping you navigate the often confusing world of YouTube. And the cherry on top, there's a free webinar that offers a sneak peek into what the course entails, so you can make an informed decision about whether it's the right fit for you. For those who are interested, more information is available in the description below this video. You just might discover that the YouTube Mastery and Monetization course is the key to unlocking your YouTube success story. The second secret to YouTube success lies in two words: consistency and authenticity. Now let's dive a little deeper into what that really means. Consistency is key in any endeavor. It's about showing up again and again, putting in the work, and not letting the setbacks deter you. In the world of YouTube, consistency translates into regularly posting content. It doesn't necessarily mean you need to post a new video every single day, but you should establish a schedule that works for you and stick to it. Whether it's once a week, twice a week, or even once a month, your audience should know when to expect new content from you. Consistency creates anticipation, and anticipation builds viewership. Now on to authenticity. This is about being true to who you are, letting your unique personality shine through your content. Authenticity resonates with people. It makes you relatable, and it helps build a genuine connection with your audience. Remember, viewers are not just looking for content. They're looking for personalities they can connect with. And there's no better way to establish that connection than by being your authentic self. Consistency and authenticity together create a powerhouse combo. Consistency gets your content out there, gets it seen, and keeps your audience engaged. Authenticity builds a deeper connection with your viewers, fostering trust and loyalty. And trust me when I say a loyal audience is worth its weight in gold. But here's the thing about consistency and authenticity. They're not one-off tasks. They're ongoing commitments that require dedication and effort. It's about showing up day after day, being real, being you, and always striving to deliver content that your audience will love and appreciate. So if you're serious about making it big on YouTube, these are commitments you need to make. Consistency to keep your channel active and your audience engaged. Authenticity to make your content relatable and to build genuine connections with your viewers. To sum up, be consistent, be authentic, and watch your YouTube channel grow. We've unveiled 2 secrets to YouTube's success, but there's more to come. Now it's time for you to take action. You've been offered a treasure trove of knowledge from the #1 most subscribed YouTuber, and it's not to be taken lightly. Remember, success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication, patience, and a willingness to learn. But you're not alone in this journey. You're part of a community that thrives on sharing knowledge and supporting each other. So let's make this a two-way street. We're eager to hear about your own YouTube journey. What strategies have you tried? What worked and what didn't? Sharing your experiences might just shine a light for someone else navigating their way on this platform. And while you're at it, why not give this video a like? It might seem like a small gesture, but it goes a long way in supporting this channel and helping others discover these valuable insights. But don't stop there. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel. That way, you won't miss out on any future tips and tutorials that could be the key to unlocking your YouTube success. And here's another piece of advice. Don't limit yourself to just one video. There's a wealth of information spread across numerous videos on this channel. Each one offers unique insights that could be the missing piece in your YouTube puzzle. Lastly, consider checking out the YouTube Mastery and Monetization course. It's an investment that could pay off exponentially in your YouTube journey. More details can be found in the description below this video. So there you have it. You're armed with knowledge, you're part of a community, and you're ready to take on YouTube. Remember, every journey starts with a single step, and you've already taken yours by watching this video. Stay tuned for more secrets to YouTube success. Your journey to YouTube stardom starts here.